What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I think I got a quick one for you guys. It's 2018 Ford F-150 4x4 XLT off-road, which doesn't matter because all I'm doing on this one is a rear door lock actuator. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Customer brought it in because he said he couldn't open his tailgate, his back chingadera back there, and I went over to open it and it opened up. Got the truck in the bay right now. I can't verify customers' complaint. He said it wouldn't open. I went ahead and opened it. That's usually how it goes. Customers bring their cars to the shop, then the car doesn't want to act up anymore, right? So yeah, let's go over to the back and see what's going on with this back tailgate actuator. Opens up, but where's the key? Customer is complaining about this thing not working. Now look, I'm gonna go ahead and lock it, and it doesn't lock. Customer was complaining that it wouldn't unlock, but it's locking right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and change out this lock mechanism, and we're gonna see how it goes. I can hear it. Unlock it, and it doesn't. Lock it, and it doesn't lock. So that's the problem that we're having. We're gonna start changing it. We got the part directly from Ford. Customer wants to change it, so we're gonna change it out for him. So I'm gonna start off by removing this cover right here. T30 is what I'm using with my little impact. The driver make things go a little faster. So this is a 2018 Ford F-150. Sorry, it wasn't a T30, it's a T25 that we're using here. So let me get to work and we'll see what's in here. Okay. Look at this, there's absolutely nothing in there. So, oh, there it is. So I guess it has a little cover on it. Alright, so that comes out. 2018 Ford F-150. I've never done one of these. Give me a break. And I'm gonna leave that in there. Let's see. Match. First thing I'm gonna do is match up the part, make sure we get the right part. I don't want to spend time here just to find out it was the wrong part, you know. Okay, let me show you where I'm at. There's a little latch actuator, chingadera. Okay, so just take off that cover once you take off that plastic, but it's right here. It is looks the same to me. You see, looks like that's how it goes right there. All right, so I'm gonna start taking some of this shit off, and then you guys can just watch as I go. All right, guys, here's the latch. This is what we're gonna be working at. First thing you want to notice is right here, these things are adjustable. These rods right here. That's what happens when you pull the handle. Okay, you gotta like keep an eye on how many threads are on each side of the chingadera. Just because they are adjustable, and you don't want this to be too tight or too loose, you know. So keep an eye on that. First thing I'm gonna do is take these two little chingaderas off. I think you just got to there you go. Okay, put it to the side, and same thing here. Like that. Put this to the side. I'm gonna unplug this actuator from here. Where is it? Where is it? Right here. Okay. Unplug that, and then I'm gonna unclip it from down here. Can you see this? There's a little white clip right there. I'm just gonna take it out of there. With my handy dandy snap-on clip remover. Okay, let's see here. Okay, that's off, that's off. So we're looking at the new part. It's not that difficult. 1, 2, 3 chingaderas. I gotta unclip that one from here. But let me see. I think it might be easier if I just undo it from here and just push it down. And I'll just reuse that old yellow clip. Watch. See? Like that. Did you see that? All I did was squeeze these tabs and push it down. And that way I don't have to adjust that. Alright. Now what? 2 10s? 2 10s in there. That's Lejuan. 2. Is it that simple? Boom, there it is. That easy, guys. 2018 Ford F-150. Alright, so let me put the new one in there. Now, this is what I'm gonna do with this one. I'm just gonna squeeze and take this off. I'm gonna reuse the old one just because it's easier to do it that way. Okay, take this thing off, and I'm just gonna keep it in case I fuck up the other one, which I won't, because I gotta be careful here. So this last just goes back inside. Okay, like so. Mira. Try to put everything right back where it was. Pretty close in the same spot. Put my 2 10s just to hold it down while I put the rest of it back. This connector goes back in. Like so. And this is supposed to be in here. Look at these rods. You can see where it was clipped on. It's a little bit shinier. You can see that? So I'm just going to try to lay it down in the same spot and then just lock that into place. And the same thing over here. Lock that into place. And then this one I'll just push it back in its hole. Boom. Alright. There it is. That's it. Now it's just a matter of, does it work? Does this work? Alright, everything's good here. This is what it looks like now. Just a quick tailgate actuator. Just gonna put all this thing back. Put all this back, and then we're gonna give it a shot with the remote chingadera. With this. And we're gonna see if it works, if it locks, if it doesn't unlock, or whatnot, just to verify that it's fixed. Let's go. All right, guys, just gonna put all this back together. All the holes line up. Drop this into place. Looks good. All right, so T25. I think I said that already, but it is what it is. All right, 8 screws. Moment of truth. Let's see what happens. Okay. There we go. I'm gonna lock it. Oh, that's beautiful. Unlock. Lock it. There it is. 2018 Ford F-150. It sucks because it's only 1 year old and it already went bad. But I guess that's Ford for you. No good, huh? That's it for this one right here, homies. Well, that's it, homies. 2018 Ford F-150 only has 63,000 miles on it. And it sucks that the actuators go out that quick. But that's what it is. I expected something a little bit more difficult. But, hey, Some days you have it easy, some days you don't, you know. Quick and easy rear door lock or rear tailgate actuator. Customers, it's funny because the customer was complaining that it wouldn't open, and then when I went up to open it, it opened up, but then it wouldn't lock. So I was, that right there, it's a dead indication of a bad actuator. There's only 2 wires on it, 2 nuts, 3 clips, 8 T25 bolts, and that's it. You can get it done. So yeah, we're gonna end it right here on this one. 2018 Ford F-150 rear tailgate actuator. Got it done. Yeah, stick around, subscribe. I got more videos coming, so I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace out.